Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that might affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of August in 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.63%. This translates to an average return of 0.23% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line, currently at $524.79, would indicate a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.47% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 5.17% to positive 4.10%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 31.48% over the next year, with expected returns between 22.70% and 35.73%. This range translates to a price between $633.88 and $701.19 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 1.07% on Friday. The VOO ETF price increased by 1.07% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024. It rose from $511.14 to $516.60. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.03%, with a day low of $512.25 and a day high of $517.55. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 5.47% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 1 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 5 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.51 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands at 0.54%, or $2.80, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known by its ticker, VOO, continues to capture attention as a leading investment choice amid recent market trends. Reports indicate that VOO has emerged as the best-performing fund regarding inflows this year, experiencing consistent price increases over the past 3 weeks and moving closer to its all-time highs. Such momentum can bolster investor confidence in the short term, potentially driving prices higher as more capital seeks entry into this popular ETF. However, despite the positive performance, there are cautions regarding the current U.S. stock market's valuation, which may appear stretched when factoring in rising unemployment rates and increasing debt delinquencies. These elements could present challenges for the ETF in the future, particularly if these economic indicators worsen, prompting investors to reassess their exposure. Another aspect to monitor is inflation's influence on dividend stocks. In July, significant dividend income was reported by investors, reflecting a robust income-generating landscape surrounding VOO and similar ETFs. As the market fluctuates, those holding VOO stand to gain from its diversified portfolio of 500 prominent companies, making it a cornerstone for long-term investors aiming to build wealth through compounding returns. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Today, the chart reveals mostly positive signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $512.66 and $503.23. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 8.71%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising in conjunction with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal 15 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 187 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $489.91 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. Over the last day, the fund moved $5.30, or 1.03%, between its high and low. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 0.98%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $519.07. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a valuable point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $489.91. Should this support level hold, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $496.52, reflecting a decrease of 3.89%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. However, the relative strength index for 14 days stands at 86, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near term. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is somewhat overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we anticipate VOO will open lower by $1.13, starting at $515.47. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.